Hello everyone. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how do you add clickable link to Instagram Reels. So if you're looking to add a clickable link on your Instagram Reel, what happens is unfortunately Instagram doesn't let you do this at this moment. But what other ways that you can do this is by you can add, when if you open your Instagram bio here, link here, your profile, you can add your clickable link on your Instagram bio. So you just have to click on edit profile and add your bio, and that will be a clickable link, and you can mention that the link is in your bio when you're creating the reel, so people can check into your bio for the link. So that's one option. But other than that, what you can also do is you can add a clickable link or a hyperlink on your Instagram stories. But unfortunately this option is only available to accounts with 10,000 followers only, with 10,000 followers only. So only if you have more than that, for 10k followers, you will be able to add hyperlinks or links. So at the moment, these are the current options that you have for Instagram. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.